Today, let's celebrate the vibrant flavors of a hot, sweet and tangy Goan Recheado Masala. Easy peasy to make, but finger-licking good. Hey there, this is Veena from Patter Cake. A warm welcome to my channel. And if you're looking for authentic ingredient proportions and all the essential instructions for getting a recipe right, you've come to the right place. But first, have you ever wondered how you could transform a simple vegetable into a gourmet or 5-star experience? Well, let me show you in today's video. And as usual, I also have lots of cooking tips for you, so keep watching till the end. To make the popular Goan Recheado Masala, we'll start by frying a peeled and chopped medium-sized onion with around 2 teaspoons of oil on medium heat. We'll fry the onion till it softens and just starts browning. Don't fry it completely. Let's remove this to a bowl. Now let's take a look at the other ingredients. Here I have 6 Kashmiri chillies. I have broken off the stalks and 8 Bedgi chillies. But you could also use all Kashmiri or all Bedgi chillies instead. We'll also use 25 peppercorns, 2 1-inch sticks of cinnamon. Let's break them up. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 10 garlic cloves, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. Let's cut the garlic cloves and slice the ginger. Into this grinder jar, I'll add the chilies after breaking them into pieces. And then add all the other ingredients, along with a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a small ball of tamarind soaked in 1 tablespoon of hot water. It doesn't matter if you have a little water in this masala, the fried onions, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. We'll grind all of this with a 1/4 cup of vinegar to start with. We'll add a little more vinegar carefully, 1 tablespoon at a time if necessary, while grinding the masala. Here's the ground Recheado Masala. I had to add 2 more tablespoons of vinegar while grinding it. This has to be a smooth and thick paste, like this. It shouldn't be thin and runny. So add vinegar very carefully while grinding the masala. The Goan Recheado Masala is a versatile spice paste, perfect for stuffing seafood like mackerels and pomfrets, and also vegetables, and even for marinating seafood or chicken. But today, I'll show you how to make a lip-smacking lady's finger or bhendi dish with the Goan Recheado Masala. Honestly, this will take the taste up several notches to 5-star level. In Konkani, we call this dish Recheado Bhendi, meaning stuffed bhendi. Here I have 250 grams of lady's fingers. I have washed and dried them. It's important for the bhendi to be completely dry like this. Now let's slice off the top and the tip of each bhendi or lady's finger. The next step is to add a sprinkling of salt, not more than that, to the bhendi. This will enhance their taste and also help them fry well. A quick request to please like this video if you find it useful. And please subscribe for more tasty recipes like this. Mukha asuldi. That done, we'll now make a lengthwise slit in each bhendi. to create a pocket. It's now time to stuff each bhendi with the masala. Stuff around 2 teaspoons of the masala into each bhendi, like this, and level off the masala at the opening. Here are all our stuffed lady's fingers. I still have around half of the masala left over. This can be stored in the freezer and used up within 2 weeks. You could make stuffed bhendis again or recheado mackerel or pomfret with this remaining masala. The choice is yours. Now we'll fry these in 2 batches. To the same pan in which I had fried the onion, I have added around 1.5 tablespoons of oil. We'll heat it on a medium flame and then add in the bhendi. After adding the bhendi, we have to reduce the heat to low and fry them for around 8 to 10 minutes. But after 4 to 5 minutes, we have to turn them over. If your flame is too hot, even at the lowest level, the bhendi could get burnt. In that case, take the pan off the heat now and then for around 30 seconds each time. Instead of frying the bhendi like this, you could also first dip them in a slurry of corn flour, roll them in rava, and then deep fry or shallow fry them in sufficient oil. These are now done. I'll take them out of the pan and fry the next batch. See that you remove the fried bhendi to a plate lined with an absorbent paper towel. Do try making bhendi this way. Believe me, your family will surely love this dish. And if you want to check out another super tasty bhendi recipe, do check out my delicious Bhendi Masala Fry recipe. The link is on the end screen page and in the description box below. Thanks for watching and bye for now. And till we meet again, happy cooking!